feel like we've got most of the things. This is the Danish Crinkle. I've never gotten one of these before. Oh my god, did I even get like...
Did you get the pumpkin one?
Oh,
Yeah.
Like, see, I don't even know. Oh, but holy shit, look at this. It's a whole ass Danish.
Stop it
What?
right now.
Oh, she's for a party.
Holy moly.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Here we are, reunited again with fall from Trader Joe's. I don't even know what to say besides I'm so hungry, I'm ready to get started. Last year I did a taste test of all the fall food items. I just wanted to do it again.
Come on, sequel.
Come on, sequel. I would argue that already the fall items for this year so much better than the ones from last year. We have pumpkin spice hummus, pumpkin spice pretzels. The one that made us go ew at the grocery store that I'm so excited for us to try is pumpkin 4-cheese Greek style yogurt dip. Like, that sounds so gross, right?
Do we want to have a little icebreaker first?
Oh yes, okay.
No, I meant alcohol.
Oh, I like been introducing you. This is my bestie, my sister, Emma Frances Love.
It's a horrible name, okay.
Let's start with one of these fun things.
I just figure it would get us a little loosey-goosey in the mood to review
The Shell House Pumpkin Ale. I'm so excited to try this. It's white. Oh my god. Oh, it smells like a candle. It's weird.
It smells like soap.
Oh my god, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Cheers. Cheers. Who greenlit? It tastes like licorice.
That's like, you're being too nice. I'm still gonna drink it because I need an empty cup. Watered down, soapy licorice.
That's exactly it.
We can only go up from here.
So we have spicy pumpkin samosas, and to put on top of it with a chutney, we have apple cider fruit spread. That's really good.
That is amazing.
This is like a 9.
But the issue is, I would not buy it again.
Same.
So I can't give it a 10. I'd say like an 8.
8.
I would buy the fruit spread again.
Yeah.
This needs to be on everyone's cheese boards. I'm giving the apple cider spread a 10.
Whoa. It tastes like fall. What is that?
Rosemary.
I'd say like a 5.
I think a 5 is fair.
I think you're better off just doing the normal mac and cheese, a butternut squash. These are the apple cinnamon oatmeal bites.
I'm giving this like a 4. It's so mushy. The texture's just kind of off here. It needs more flavor.
You're right about that.
We should have another drink. We've had a lot of misses so far.
I think this is gonna be a winner. This one is 2 Towns Cider House Cosmic Crisp.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, it just tastes like cider. There's nothing really like special about it, but it's good.
I like it because a lot of ciders I've had are really heavy and this is really light. Also the plus that it's 8% alcohol because it gets you where you want to go. I feel like we've all seen it, but we've all walked past it.
It's so intimidating looking.
Cheers. This is like my favorite texture. Oh my god, I knew it.
Where has this been hiding my whole life?
Grandma would have loved this one.
Oh my gosh, she would have.
I would give it a 10 to bring it to have coffee and Danish with my grandma.
This is really good. We're trying something new this year. We're gonna try oat beverages. Let's start with maple.
What is this?
It's oat milk.
It's just flavored oat milk?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's just a little sample because oat milk on your own, I feel like that's something a serial killer would drink. Let me pour myself a glass of cold oat milk.
It smells yummy. That would be amazing in a latte. I don't think that I would buy it again, but I think I'm gonna give it like a 7 or an 8. I'm curious if my ratings will change once we try the pumpkin.
Oh, what a color.
Orange! That's a little more candly.
I'm not into that. The maple is more of like fall in a cup. You can manipulate it to taste like a pumpkin spice latte, whatever. This already tastes like a candle right away, so whatever you add to it will make it worse.
That was so well said.
Thank you.
What is that?
It smells like cold Italian food.
That is a very long list of ingredients.
That is. Okay, ready?
Watch us literally love it.
I know.
No.
No. It tastes like there was an accident in the factory and someone accidentally knocked over that like Italian seasoning blend. If you're adventurous, give it a shot. It feels like it's like good for the story. Not good for your stomach though.
I'm just wondering what the chunks in here are.
Please don't point that out.
Heat for 20 seconds in a microwave safe dish. Oh! Okay, let me do that really fast.
It almost smells worse.
It looks worse.
It's just not good. If I could take back the last 5 minutes, I would.
And a
palette cleanser. Palette cleanser. 8%. So this is what I'm really excited about. This is why we made this video. I love the dessert hummus. I think it's the greatest invention. A solid 9 out of 10. Maybe an 8. 8 is so safe.
It's good, but you're not building up the expectations too high on the chance that someone doesn't like it as much as you.
So we have this lightly spiced pumpkin spread.
I feel like they kind of missed on like the textures this year.
It's definitely not for on its own. It really does just taste like pumpkin puree. So this looks really interesting. This is the sunflower butter cookies. Feels like very like back to school fall, not necessarily like Halloween fall. Ooh, these are so cute. Oh, these are good. Wow, these are like a 7.
Yeah, I do like a 7.5. Like, I would recommend these.
These are pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels. Oh my god, they are teeny tiny.
Oh my god, it's so small. Honestly, I would give these like a 7. I don't see a scenario in which I would purchase them, but I could see them like on a cheese board.
This is the pumpkin spice chocolate covered espresso bean.
I love that.
We need to do this pumpkin gourd tree pumpkin cider. You'd think that I'd watched maybe the video that I did last year. I didn't, so I can't remember if I've done this one or not. I don't hate it. Like if this was at a Halloween party, I'd be like, okay. I think I'd rate it like a 4.
That's what I was gonna give it.
These are the spooky bats and cats sour candy. Cheers.
I'll give that a 9. It like actually has a sour punch.
Our finishing number, this mini maple walnut biscotti. Oh, it smells so good.
Wow.
It smells like pancakes.
This is the last thing. Cheers.
That's really good.
I wish I had.
This is like the dream.
Wow, this combination is actually a 10.
Like if there's anything to take away from this video, give these a try. Thank you for joining me on this adventure.
Of course.
Thank you so much for watching and following along with us. I hope that this inspires you to try something new.